My name is Abbie. I'm the VP of Operations at Colorado Golf and Turf. We have been in business since 1983. Same owner and operator has run the entire time. We are the club card distributor, currently in all of Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska. I've been with Colorado Golf and Turf since 2006, and we believe one of the most important things that has continued to make us successful in this industry is our focus on customer service. We believe that the follow-up and the service after the sale is just as important as the initial sale. So we continue to have a full service department on staff, as well as a fleet of vans out on the road all the time to make sure that we are meeting our customers' needs with very little downtime. We have always chose to partner with and represent very high-end quality products. So one of the decisions that we made was to partner with Trojan Lithium. The reason is because of the name they have in the industry. For as long as we've partnered with them on the flooded lead acid side and the other products that we carry, we just absolutely knew that they'd be the best partner to represent our products as we put them out into the field. We have found the Trojan Lithium pack very easy to install. It's incredibly user-friendly with the dashboard accessories rather than under the seat. Our technicians have enjoyed the ease of installation. Our experience with the Lithium Trojan product has been incredible so far. Our Trojan rep is so incredibly knowledgeable, so responsive. Oftentimes we're able to be on site, make a phone call, get the answers we need to get our customers going, which at the end of the day makes us look good. So we will continue to use this product.